Hi everybody, welcome to Cracked Lacquer Nail Studio. I'll be doing acrylic and gel designs with 3D and even 4D sculpting and of course bling. I will also be sharing some tips for growing beautiful, healthy, natural nails and how to deal with nail product allergies. There will be affiliate links for the products I use in the description box below. Please like and subscribe, and please hit the bell if you want to be notified of future videos. Today I'm going to make some very pretty little pearl beads, and the nail I'm going to do a French stiletto and put some flowers on there with using acrylic, and I'm going to use the little pearl beads to put in the center of the flowers. So I'm starting with the clear acrylic to build my very strong structure and a strong apex. You really need that. It's a good idea to do it. I'm using the Cover Beige from Mia Secret. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. It's not too much shimmer, it's just actually perfect. If you don't want anything real sparkly or shimmery, it's just a little bit. It's a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful color. I'm going to shape this nail bed into the V shape. It's a nice elegant shape for a nail, of more along the lines of a fancy nail or a nail you want to wear going out. Alright, I'm ready for the white. Now this is just a plain white. There's no shimmer in this white. There's going to be plenty of shimmer when I put the frosty mica powder in. Place it right down at the base, the bottom of the V, and bring it around to the sides. Get that nice and sharp in there. It's kind of sticking to my brush a little bit. There we go. That's better. I take a lot of time making sure the sides are right. Less filing is better. As good as you can get it, as perfect as you can get it before you have to file, the better. It's a big time saver. So I went ahead and filed, and now I'm going to put the clear coat of acrylic on there. If you blend that top part of that bead in, there's less chance that it shows discoloration or an edge, or it just makes it smoother when you go to put the other bead near the cuticle and brush it forward, and then it all just kind of blends together. Make sure you clean up underneath there. Don't have any big blobs of acrylic hanging out. I love putting that clear top coat on. We're ready for the flowers. I'm just going to make some little daisy looking type flowers. Simple but elegant. I am ready now to make the pearls. So I made with the pearlescent mica powder and a little bit of white, and actually a little bit of the opalescent thermochrome powder. Not usually used for mixing with gels. It's more like a rub it on the nail kind of thing, but I thought it would add a little depth to the bead. There's the beads. Okay, I've already put the a little bit of gel in the center of the flower, so the bead can have something to hold on to, and I'll be curing those. There you are, but it looks like it needs something else. So I'm actually going to use that mica powder, just straight mica powder, and with a little bit of top coat gel, I'm going to hold that mica powder. I'm going to line the flowers with a little bit of frost. So I'm just going to put the top coat around the edges of the petals, the outside lines of the petals, and that's where I'm going to be putting the mica powder. So by the end of this video, you will notice that instead of just putting the mica powder around the edges of the petals, I actually did the whole petals. I couldn't resist. I just felt like it was the right thing to do. And I also put it down to the end of the free edge. I didn't cover all the white of the free edge. I just wanted to do a little bit at the tip. And there you are. I think it looks better. I think it still might have been a little too plain if I didn't cover all the petals. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video.